In this video, I'll be unboxing the Amazon Basics Thunderbolt 4 docking station. So let's get started. So right over here we have the main unit. It's made out of aluminum. I know it can look like plastic, but this is definitely metal. But the front plate and the back plate over here are plastic. We'll come back to it in just a few seconds. Let's see what else is included in the box. We have a small manual over here, simply to inform you what you can plug in each of these ports. We have a Thunderbolt 4 cable. It's not a very long one, but it should be enough, especially if you're going to use it with your laptop on the table. And then we have the power adapter. So this is the adapter itself. This end over here will be plugged in the dock right over there. And it also comes with the next cable over here that plugs in the power adapter. And this end will get plugged in your wall socket. Let's take a look at all the ports that this dock has. So we have the DC power jack. Then we have an HDMI port. This HDMI port, it's able to output up to 8K at 30 Hz. It's an HDMI 2.1. Next, we have two USB Type-C ports. These are Thunderbolt 4. They're able to charge at maximum 50 watts each and transfer 40 gigabytes per second data in case you're plugging something of this nature. Or you can also use these ports to plug an external display. 4K at 60 Hz is the maximum resolution. You can have two displays plugged in this dock at the same time. Then over here we have an Ethernet port up to 2 gigabytes per second. And finally, on this side, we have two USB Type-A that are USB 3.1. If we switch this dock on the other side, we have an SD card reader and another USB Type-A port, again USB 3.1, a headphone jack. This is the host USB Type-C Thunderbolt port. This is where you're going to connect your computer, and it will be able to charge your computer up to 96 watts. Then we have two LEDs. These LEDs are to show the Thunderbolt connection and the power status. And finally, we have a power on and off button. If you want to get one of these from Amazon, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. I will probably do a review of this unit in the weeks that are coming.